just gonna warm up, incline 7.0, speed is 2.0, just to get our bodies used to the treadmill, and then we're gonna gradually build it up to 3.5. And the warm up is only gonna be for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Remember not to hold on to the treadmill because we want to focus on building our core. And just like this is simulating real life experiences, when we're walking outdoors, we don't hold on to anything because it engages our total body. So when we hold on to the handles while we're walking, it just takes away from the benefits of walking physically. Not to say if you're in danger. If you're in danger and you feel like you're about to slip and fall or you're about to faint, hold on to the bar. But if you're just walking regularly, let yourself walk and enjoy the benefits of this walk. My endurance sucks right now. Really? Like right now, I'm just my breathing is horrible right now. It's crazy.
So you're getting like you're out of breath?
Yeah.
You get out of breath quick?
Yeah, very easily. And right now my speed is at 2.7, which is nuts. So it's been a while. I don't know when was the last time I did squats. When was it? I don't know, maybe 7 months pregnant. So it's been like 8 months since I've done like resistant squats on a resistant machine. This is too high. Bring this down. I'm a little shrimp. All right, so that's better for me. Making sure that the bar isn't on my neck, on my traps. Come up. Oh, it doesn't feel bad. So far, like the bar itself. That's good. I'm gonna start to add weight now. I'm just gonna start off with, just to see how my body adjusts to the weight. Let's see. And then I'll gradually increase it. Yeah, progressive load is beneficial. For most people, we hate cardio, but when we keep our weights at 60% of our max and we rep out around 10 to 15 reps or 10 or more reps, what happens is you start to go into that cardio zone. Not to say that this is the only form of cardio you need to perform, but this is definitely going to help to build the glutes, the quads, which is the front of the thighs, the hamstrings. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 1 more, 10. You know what? It's a certain high that you get with weight training. It's like, yeah, I could do it. I could do it. Put more weight. You know? And one of the most efficient ways to build glutes is using weight training equipment. Because you're putting stress to that muscle group, and when it repairs itself, it gets bigger. So that's why we use resistance. At home, you can start off at home, but eventually the goal is to get into the gym and work out. Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's see how we do. split stance first. Sometimes I'll see people, they'll start off here, but the thing is the split stance helps to bounce you off when you load up. Take the weight right here. Push off the heels. Ten. Reload. Woo! Man, it feels good. I'm like, and so it's been a while since I weight trained. So right now I feel like after I came off the Smith machine, I feel like I'm light. Almost when you're swimming.
Yeah, you feel light.
Yeah. Feel super light. The next workout routine we're going to focus on is going to be the Russian twist. We're simply grabbing a ball. We're going to sit down on the mat. This is focusing on the rectus abdominis, which is the top part of your abs, and the external and internal obliques. See, now this is the part where most people, they get confused and think that they want to just do, and think that performing only abs is going to give them a flat stomach. It's everything all together, incorporating nutrition, cardio, weight training, everything all together gives you flat abs. It's all about dropping body fat percentage. So right now, this is going to strengthen your core, which is important. So with the Russian twist, come out here. I can't, right now, I had surgery, so therefore I can't fully show you the exercise the way that I would like to. But as far as rotating from side to side, you can lift your legs up a little bit and then go from side to side to focus on both external and internal obliques. So Chris and I is going to show you how to perform this routine, and I'm going to have Chris do this right now. So chest up. Yep, and now you're going to come down into a 45-degree angle. Nice. Now rotate from side to side. Nice. Okay, that's perfect. Now if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, you can bring your legs up. Perfect. Breathe, make sure you're breathing, don't hold your breath. Nice. Getting that core work. Yep, inhale, exhale. Good. Get that core exercising. One. Last one. Perfect. That's it. Now, the reason why I'm doing the knee tucks instead of the Russian twist, again, I had a C-section, we went through major surgery, and right now I don't feel too comfortable twisting from left to right. So, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, breathe, yep, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 1 more, 12, nice. That's it, 12 reps, feel it everywhere. That's knee tucks.
That works. You really feel that.
Uh-huh.